Hello everyone. Today we'll learn aspirated and tense consonants, the sounds that make Korean richer. Let's begin. Last time we learned the soft plain consonants.
그, 드, 브, 즈, 스.
Made comfortably without tension in the throat or mouth. Today we'll see how they transform. Our first friend is the aspirated sound, a powerful sound that bursts a strong puff of air from your mouth. Like exhaling a hot breath, feel the air rush out. Aspirated sounds are made by adding a stroke to a plain consonant. Add a stroke to
기역,
and you get.
키읔,
One stroke turns the soft
기역,
into a strong aspirated sound. The same way,
디귿,
becomes,
티읕, 비읒,
becomes,
피읒,
and
지읒,
becomes.
치읒.
With each added stroke, the air bursts out and the sound grows stronger. Let's practice.
크,
Push air hard from your throat. It's the
크,
in,
코,
cool. Hold your palm to your mouth and feel the warm gust. Next,
트, 프, 츠.
pronounce them like
타조,
taha,
포도,
pato,
치마,
chima, releasing the air freshly. Each one bursts the air out strongly. Our second friend is the tense sound, a firm sound squeezed out by tightening your throat. Hold the air in as if closing your throat so none escapes. Tense sounds are made by placing two plain consonants side by side. 2.
그,
S make.
끄,
Like pressing two hands together, the sound becomes stronger and firmer. Likewise,
드,
becomes,
뜨, 브,
becomes,
브, 스,
becomes,
스,
and
즈,
becomes.
즈.
As the letters double, the sound is squeezed tight. Let's practice.
끄,
Tighten your throat and make the sound while blocking the air. It's the
끄,
in,
까치,
kachi. You'll feel almost no air on your palm. Now,
뜨, 브, 스, 즈.
feel the firm sound as you say,
꼬리,
kori,
땅,
tang,
빵,
pang,
짜.
ja, each made by tensing your throat. Let's try a fun experiment. Hold a sheet of paper in front of your mouth. With an aspirated sound, the air rushes out and the paper moves. With a tense sound, the air is held in and the paper barely moves. That's the biggest difference between them. Now let's compare three sounds.
개,
Gi,
개,
K.
개,
K sound alike, but the amount of air differs.
개,
Is relaxed,
개,
bursts strong air and
개.
is firmed by tightening the throat. Try them yourself and feel the difference. Today we learned Korean's aspirated and tense consonants. Practice the sounds a little each day. See you next time. Goodbye.